Hi, everybody, and welcome to week 2. I've enjoyed viewing the posts you've made on Flipgrid and reading your introductory discussion posts, and looking forward to getting to know you even better throughout the course. It was pretty clear from looking at the discussion posts that have been posted so far that most of you think that technology indeed can interfere with relationships. And so perhaps that's the first lesson of the course, is to spend more time engaging in face-to-face interpersonal communication to really foster good relationships. That doesn't mean that technology is bad, but it does mean that we need to be aware that real communication often requires face-to-face interaction. So let's take a look at the assignments for this week. This week is all about the self, all about you, because that's where communication starts. Communication starts in our own heads with our own perceptions. We are each a unique product of our history, our education, our families, and everything that's ever happened to us. And as such, we view the world in a way that nobody else does. And that's the first understanding that we need to have as we enter any communication situation. Not everybody sees things or even thinks the way that we do. We're not alike. So the first activity here is to view this video. And it is a video that suggests that we can open our minds and choose to perceive things in a different way than we may initially choose to perceive things. We do have some choices. So watch that video. And then the next assignment is to reply to the week 1 discussion post on technology and relationships. Some of you may have already done this. If you haven't, just click right here. It'll take you back to the discussion board. Reply to at least 2 people. Try to find replies that posts that don't have replies yet, so everybody gets a reply. And in this course, anytime that you reply on the discussion board, you're expected to add something new to the discussion. So you can indicate whether you agree or disagree with someone. But when you do that, always add your own example. And of course, be respectful when disagreeing. After you have replied on the discussion post, then here comes the content for the week, and I think it's really interesting content too. Read chapter 2, and in chapter 2 there's also a case study video. View the video, and there's 4 short answer questions to fill out, and then finally there is a quiz on chapter 2. And those are your assignments for Wednesday. Now, you only have 1 assignment for Saturday, and the reason you only have 1 assignment is because this is going to take a while, and it's going to take some thought. Your assignment is to describe a communication problem or conflict that you have experienced or observed. And this can be something at work or in personal relationships. And then discuss how it could have been avoided or solved by using one of the strategies recommended in the text this week. And you're going to have to read the text and understand these strategies before you can answer that question. And points for the discussion post will be dependent on using some of these examples from the text. So that's the week. Let me know if you have any questions.